there kids! Today's topic is all about consonant digraph Q-U words. Let's get started. The letter Q and U are best friends. They usually stay together and make a sound qu, qu. So, Q and U together makes qu sound. Repeat with me, kids. Qu, qu, qu. Let's start with initial Q-U words. Words that start with qu sound. Qu, qu, question. Question. Qu, qu, quiet. Quiet. Qu, qu, quack. Quack. Qu, qu, queen. Queen. Qu, qu, quilt. Quilt. Now let's learn medial qu words. Words with qu sound in the middle. Square, square. Equal, equal. Squirrel, squirrel. Squeeze, squeeze. Bye bye kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.